We're on site today at a boutique collection of only 10 residences and ground floor retail. I'm here to show you the excellent progress our partner Growthbuilt has made. A project team renowned for delivering high quality residential projects, a builder who is Gold Star iCIRT accredited. They are one of the first in New South Wales to achieve this benchmark. The tower crane has been installed and commissioned, piling and shoring works are complete, and the stormwater OSD tank and pump out system are now in place. The delivery team is forming up basement columns and walls while they prepare to pour the suspended ground floor slab. Heading into the Christmas break, we remain on track to pour the suspended ground floor slab and the entrance driveway to the basement. Overall, the project continues to move forward strongly and remains on program with the completion of structure by end of March, with fit out to follow. Growthbuilt is delivering Kora in accordance with its detailed quality assurance program. This, combined with the market-leading warranties, ensures the high-quality standard of this development is maintained throughout the entirety of construction. At Prosper, we're committed to certainty and quality, and we look forward to sharing more updates with you in the new year.